Alright, good morning everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending your location. Okay, I want to take you guys through how you can log into Cisco Network Academy. Um, Maybe you have an existing account, you log yourself out and you want to log back to Cisco Networking Academy. Let me take you through how you can do that. Before we do that, I am Samuel Chukwebuka Amadi. Please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Samuel Chuk's Tutorial. Okay, let's dive in. But before we dive in, let's take a cup of coffee. Alright, this is the platform. I want to show you how you can log in. So when you go to your browser, no matter the browser you're using, right now I'm making use of Firefox browser. So you go to your Firefox browser or any browser of your choice. You type in this particular site, NetAcad. You can see what I'm showing you. You type in this site. Then you go to login. From your top right, you see where you see the button login. You click on the button login, allow it to load. Now, remember you have registered before and you want to log in back to your portal. So you see login details. Okay. After typing your email, you click on login. Then type your password. If you wish, you can save this. This is my system. I have to save it. Now I have logged back to my portal. It's a very simple thing. So you can see existing course I've done and the one I'm yet to complete. So this is how you log. It's a very simple thing. Try it yourself. That is it. Is it very simple? It's very simple. It's just following on-screen instruction. Alright, I can still log out from here. Log out. It will take me to the home page. So this is where I was. Remember, you go here and log in. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Samuel Chuk's Tutorial. Thank you very much.